Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight. My name is Brittany Shine, and today I am going to talk about whatever you apply to your natural hair will affect your skin. It will affect your entire skin, and that's what I wish I would have learned back then, because I was applying so many unnatural ingredients, so many toxic ingredients that affected my hair and my skin. And to this day, I'm still dealing with the consequences of scars, acne, and boils, and just blackheads, and all of these things that I have been suffering for years simply because of the lack of knowledge of not knowing that the ingredients that I apply to my hair and my skin and the ingredients that I use to consume has affected my entire body. And so that is one of the reasons why I'm here today, making all natural ingredients to help you all to take care of your hair and your skin, okay? Your hair and your skin is very important. Part of my purpose is to help you all to take care of your natural hair with all natural ingredients. And I did not think it was possible for us to embrace our natural hair with all natural ingredients. I didn't think it was possible to have a product with 100% all natural ingredients on our hair. Like, it exists. Yes, it does exist. I've noticed that a lot of people have lost hair around their edges. I lost hair around my edges and it grew back. Right here and right here. I think it may have been because of the postpartum hair loss, or I don't know what the case was. It never happened to me before, but once I applied that Moringa Delight to my edges, it worked. It grew back, and it's still growing. And of course it's not long, but it grew back within a few weeks. I would say maybe 2 to 3 weeks it started growing back. If you check my before and after picture, back in 2019, my hair was, it was short. It was shorter because I used to apply so much heat to my hair, and I wasn't using perms at the time because I stopped using perms in 2013, but I was still using toxic ingredients and wondering why I wasn't getting the full benefits of going natural. Like, I deserve all of the natural benefits that comes along with going natural. And so I realized that, hey, my ingredients need to change. My ingredients is not natural. All of the ingredients in the Moringa Delight you can apply to your skin as a body butter as well, as a body lotion. So you don't have to just apply it to your hair and scalp. It's a hair, scalp, and skin moisturizer. Now, of course, I would separate the two. I wouldn't apply it to my hair and scalp and then have hair left over in the product and then you're trying to apply it to your skin. Like, I would use one for my hair and scalp and then one for my skin. So I'm gonna apply it to my skin, and it absorbs into your skin very easily, and it just feels so good. And I love applying this to my hair and my skin, and it is the best scalp moisturizer I have ever applied to my hair. If you are suffering with dry, itchy scalp, dry hair strands, or if you don't know how to take care of your natural hair, or if you're just applying the wrong ingredients, My Natural Hair Delight is here to help you to take care of your hair and to embrace it, to grow it, to nourish it. God does the miracles. Now, I can only help provide the natural ingredients that He has given me to help you all, but he does the increase. He provides the increase. He restores your hair around your edges. He restores your hair growth. And so, yes, I'm applying it to my hair because I love it. God loves your hair, and he wants you to embrace it. He wants you to embrace your natural hair. That's what he has put me here for. So thank you all for watching. I hope this has helped you all to grow, take care, and maintain your natural hair. And if you would like more information about the Moringa Delight or about the ebook or audiobook, you can go check out my website at www.mynaturalhairdelight.com. And if you found this video helpful, you can like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at My Natural Hair Delight. And I will talk to you all again soon. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.